Guys, today I'm making a very fluffy egg, and as you can see I have separated the white and the yellow of the egg. This is just one egg, and I have beaten the white of the egg so well that it's turned cloudy and foamy. If you use an electric beater, it will become more foamy. I've just beaten it with my fork, and this is the one egg with some salt and pepper in it, and I'm going to mix it in my frothy white egg. I'm going to mix this together. So I've mixed the yellow and the white together of the egg. I've just put a pinch of salt and pinch of pepper in this. I'm going to mix it. Very low heat. I'm going to let this, I have transferred it into my frying pan on a very low heat. I'm going to let it cook till it's done from down, and I'm going to show you how it looks. See how soft this egg is. It's just so soft. You can just flip it and it's very soft. Guys, this is what my fluffy egg looks like. Believe me, if you make this kind of egg, you will say, wow, what a soft texture of the egg. It's so fluffy and amazing. I have put a little bit of cream cheese inside on top of it. You can eat it with butter, you can eat it with anything. It's so amazing. Try it.